Hi everybody, Vladimir here with you, and welcome to my weekly review for the week of 22nd of August. First of all, I want to start with the big news. It looks like big trends ahead of us, and we are looking for a few trades. And the last week was a fantastic week for people who use the intraday strategies, especially, and for those of you who are still in the a big trend that was began with the strengthening of the dollar, and it looks like it's going to continue. I want to start with the euro dollar that looks like creating a head and shoulders on daily chart right here. It looks like we are breaking this pattern. Let's take a look. The MACD is very bearish. It's a lot below of the zero line. That means the market is very bearish. So I think we are ahead of continuing of downtrend. I still don't know if this downtrend will bring us to a new low for the euro dollar. I still don't know. As for now, I just think that this downtrend will be a correction for the last up move, and that means that we can go somewhere until these levels, in the Fibonacci levels for this all big move, so somewhere right here. As for now, we are still very bearish. The Bollinger Bands are opened and we are going down more and more. So for those of you who trade chart patterns, okay, look for this break, retrace, and if the retrace to test this neckline will stop on this neckline and will not break it up again. Okay, if the retrace will stop on this level, take a look for sell opportunities. And if we go for lower time frames, take a look at how does it look like. Right, we got this down move from this point, right? And as for now, we have here a bullish divergence. I still not sure how strong and how powerful this divergence is, but I do think that this divergence can bring the euro dollar somewhere until these levels, maybe, right? Somewhere until these levels, 128 maybe, and this should be the neckline level, right? The euro should go until this level somewhere, something like that, right? It can keep around it, and from this point, right, it should go and keep falling down. So be ready for the euro dollar and look for selling opportunities for swing trades, and for short term, for the first days, look for up, for long, for buying opportunities to buy until the net line. The next pair I want to talk about is the dollar yen. I'm still watching this pair, and I still believe that we are ahead of a big bullish move. Take a look. This is a monthly chart. You all see what the monthly chart try to create for us right here, right? When we will get a monthly bullish candle pattern, that means that the dollar yen will make a strong and powerful up move. But until it happens, we are still on the fence, and we can look for opportunity to get in on the daily chart. As for now, the opportunity I see is here, right? Take a look. This is a daily resistance line, daily downtrend line. If it breaks and closes above this level, watch until it retraces back. When it retraces, take a long opportunity and go long, right? The strong support line that the stop loss should be below it is 84, so the stop loss will not be small, but the profits are much bigger. Anyway, I will update about this trade on my blog, so watch my blog. The next trade I want to talk about is the pound dollar. As same as the euro dollar, it looks we are going down, but take a look. The pound is stopped right here on this support line, and the 4 hours chart, this was the daily chart, and the 4 hours chart creates for us a bullish divergence right here. So I believe the British pound, before it keeps falling, I believe that we will see some up move until these levels with this channel right here, you can see and watch this bullish divergence, right, that push these prices up. So as for short-term opportunities, look to buy the British pound with a stop loss below the support line, below this low, of course, and the profit on the upper boundary of the channel, as I showed you before. Another opportunity for some short terms is on Canadian against the franc. Take a look on the daily chart right here. All right, we had this support line close to one on level, and it was broken down, and the Bollinger Bands are opened as well, and it looks like we will falling down until the next support line, which is here close to 88, somewhere until these levels, right? And from here the market probably will try to create some bullish divergence, as we can see right here. If it does and you get a bullish candle pattern, look for buying opportunities for short terms for few days only, because for long terms it looks like we are going down this pair, because the weekly chart, as you can see here, this uptrend line was broken, right? So as for now, the bullish divergence on the daily chart can bring this pair until this uptrend line, test it, and from here we can expect for next fall down. So for short term, look for long opportunities to buy. For big moves, right, for long terms, look to sell from the retrace to this uptrend line, as I mentioned before. And the last thing I want to show you and share about is the DAX. I talked about it in my on my my previous review. I'm sorry. We had triple top right here. We have so powerful bearish divergence right here. We got an engulfing on the previous week. I told you to sell the DAX. I still tell you sell the DAX, guys. It looks like we are going down at least until these levels, on the lower boundary of this channel. At least I believe we can even expect the DAX to go until this level, right? Almost 5,000 level, the next strong support. Of course it will take a long period because it's a weekly chart, but this is my belief. That's all for this week, guys. Thank you very much. I wish you profitable and fantastic week. Enjoy the opportunities of the market. Thank you. Vladimir.